Hello and thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Today we are going to install IntelliJ IDEA. IntelliJ is a Java integrated development environment for developing computer software. In our case, we are going to use it to develop our application. First of all, open your web browser. Then browse to JetBrains. Look under Tools and click on IntelliJ IDEA. Click Download, Community, Windows Executable. Click Keep and wait for the download to finish. Now you can install it. Or, if you use more JetBrains products, I'd recommend you to download the Toolbox app. This way you can keep all your JetBrains applications organized and give them updates when they need to be done. In this case, I'm going to download the Toolbox app because I use PHP Storm as well, and I'd like to keep my stuff organized. So click Keep and open the application. Click Install and wait for the installation to finish. I want to run JetBrains Toolbox, so I leave that checkbox selected and I click Finish. Now the toolbox is starting up, and I get this pop-up on the right bottom corner of my screen. We want to install IntelliJ IDEA Community, because that's the free version of IntelliJ. I'm just going to click Install, and it's checking for updates, and will download IntelliJ and install it automatically. Depending on your internet speed, downloading IntelliJ IDEA might take from 1 to 10 minutes. Now IntelliJ IDEA Community has been installed. Click on it to open it. And now you have successfully installed and opened IntelliJ IDEA.